getting started on my personal transformation. This is the first of a series of 6 short videos on the subject of getting started on my personal transformation. My suggestion when getting started on personal transformation is that you begin with the question, what do I want? Now, it's not really an easy question. It's not that you'll just be able to say, what do I want? And the answer will ping back. It's not like some kind of corporate goal setting. It's thinking, what do I want? And really, it's an everyday question. What do I want? In this situation I'm in now, what do I want? Tomorrow, what do I want? At the weekend, what do I want? And it's starting to take that kind of focus to your life so that you are focused on the quality of your life rather than on your problems and worries and the things that you don't want. Because if you focus on those things, your problems, your worries and the things that you don't want, all that will happen is that they will expand. And what I'm suggesting, if you're interested in your personal transformation, is that you start looking at the world for what is beautiful and what is interesting. What in my world is beautiful and interesting, and how do I want the quality of my world to be? And that's what I think will help you with this transformation. Maybe you just think of something really small that you want. And if it's a small thing, you can ask yourself, and what does that represent for me? What does that thing do for me? Why is that thing important to me? And if you ask yourself those kind of questions about a small thing, you'll find some of your deepest values by asking those questions. Or you might feel that what you want is much, much too big. Like, especially at the moment, I think what you might find is that you want the world to be different. Maybe you want the world to be different from the way it is. And the thing with that is to start to make that smaller and smaller and smaller so that you can start to look at what can I do in my life now, today, tomorrow, to contribute to the world being more the way that I want it to be. And the other thing that you can do with this what do you want question is you can think of examples, other people, where have I seen this before? Where have I done this before? What would this be like in this situation and this situation? But you understand that what you're doing is you're focusing on what it is that you want, and you're bringing that question into every part of your life. And that's really what's going to make a difference to your personal transformation and to the quality of your life. And I'm talking about an everyday change of focus. Number 2 in the series of 6 questions is, how will you know when you've got it? That's the next video. Bye for now.